The universe has spoken, sending out its ancient whispers across the vastness of space. And for the first time in our history, humanity has truly listened and heard the call echoing back. All around the world, people are looking up, their eyes filled with hope and wonder, realizing that something extraordinary has happened. Today, August 12, 2025, marks a turning point in our collective story, an unprecedented moment when the James Webb Space Telescope detected a clear, structured signal from an exoplanet long suspected to harbor life. This is not a random burst of cosmic noise, but a deliberate technosignature, evidence of technology crafted by intelligent beings, a message sent across the stars. The signal originates from Kepler 186f, nearly 500 light-years away, and has been independently confirmed by a global coalition of space agencies, uniting experts from every continent in a shared mission. The world is united in awe and excitement. News channels have dropped everything, and people everywhere are gathering together, gazing at the night sky with a renewed sense of curiosity and hope. For the first time in human history, we have empirical proof, solid evidence that we are not alone in the universe. The implications are staggering, touching every aspect of our lives: science, philosophy, politics, and even our very sense of identity and purpose. This discovery acts as a mirror, forcing us to reconsider our divisions, our conflicts, and the future we want to build together as a species. We are now citizens of the cosmos, participants in a story far greater than ourselves, connected not just to each other, but to the universe itself. The signal is a beacon, not just from a distant star, but from our own future, inviting us to imagine what lies ahead. It calls us to be better, more curious, more united, and to embrace the unfolding story of the universe with open minds and open hearts. The age of cosmic discovery has truly begun, and with it, a new chapter for all of humanity. This is our Earthrise moment for a new generation, a moment that will inspire dreams for centuries to come. The silence of the cosmos is finally broken, replaced by the promise of connection and discovery. The adventure is just beginning, and the universe awaits our response. To grasp this moment, we must appreciate the tool that made it possible: the James Webb Space Telescope. More than Hubble's successor, Webb is a revolutionary leap, seeing the universe in infrared and peering further back in time than ever before. Built through international collaboration, its gold-coated mirror and tennis court-sized sunshield are marvels of engineering. Launched in 2021, Webb's flawless deployment at the L2 point allowed it to remain cold and stable, opening new windows on the cosmos. Since 2022, Webb has transformed our understanding of the early universe and exoplanets, delivering images of unprecedented clarity. Scientists hoped Webb might find biosignatures, chemical hints of life, but a technosignature, clear evidence of alien technology, was a dream few dared to expect so soon. Webb was built not just to see the past, but to reveal our potential future among the stars. And now, it has. The discovery began with patience and precision, not a sudden flash. Kepler 186f, an Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone of a distant red dwarf, was a prime candidate for life. Project Echo, led by SETI and NASA Ames, used Webb to analyze its atmosphere and search for artificial signals. For 18 months, Webb gathered data, until a peculiar, narrowband spike appeared in June 2025. The signal was sharp, pulsed, and unlike any known natural phenomenon. After exhaustive checks, the team confirmed it was real, and coming from Kepler 186f. A 200-hour continuous observation revealed a complex, repeating sequence, mathematically structured and clearly artificial. The team had found their needle in the cosmic haystack. The long, silent stare into the abyss was finally met with a gaze from across the stars. Humanity's search had been answered. What did Webb find? A repeating, narrowband radio signal embedded in the infrared spectrum designated SHGB 02.14. The signal pulses at 21.4 GHz, a frequency chosen to minimize cosmic interference, suggesting intelligence. Its structure is unmistakable, a sequence repeating every 19.7 hours, encoding prime numbers up to 101, a classic SETI hailing signal. After the primes, the pattern grows more complex, hinting at deeper information. When Kepler 186f is hidden by its star, the signal vanishes, confirming its origin. The data is now public, and scientists worldwide are racing to decode its mysteries. Early analysis suggests the signal may contain information about the sender's physical constants or planetary system. It is a cosmic Rosetta Stone, a puzzle box from another civilization. The silence is broken, and the universe feels profoundly different. The journey to understand its meaning has just begun. The world is forever changed. The word technosignature is now on everyone's lips. It's a term that has leapt from the pages of scientific journals into the global conversation, sparking excitement and debate in equal measure. Unlike biosignatures, signs of life such as oxygen or methane in an atmosphere, technosignatures are evidence of technology, the cosmic equivalent of finding a message in a bottle drifting across the vast ocean of space. They are the fingerprints of intelligence, proof that somewhere someone has built machines and sent signals. The Kepler 186f signal is a Class A technosignature, unambiguous, structured, and clearly artificial. Its regularity and complexity leave no doubt. This is not a product of nature, but of mind. This discovery validates SETI's decades-long search and propels it to the forefront of science. For years, skeptics doubted, but now, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence has its first, undeniable success. For the first time, we have a second data point for intelligence in the universe. Earth is no longer the only known cradle of mind. The cosmos has revealed another. The signal's prime number sequence confirmed intelligence, but its deeper layers are the true treasure. Encoded within are patterns and structures that hint at a sophisticated civilization, eager to be understood. AI and quantum computers are searching for patterns. One section may be a two-dimensional map, possibly showing their star system, and a double helix, perhaps their version of DNA. Each new discovery within the signal brings us closer to understanding not just their technology, but their biology and culture as well. The discovery challenges the Great Filter hypothesis, suggesting that intelligent life can survive its technological adolescence. It hints that civilizations can endure, overcoming the hurdles that threaten their existence. The senders have endured, building a beacon that has lasted millennia. Their message has crossed unimaginable distances and epochs, a testament to their resilience and hope. This is a hopeful sign for humanity's own future. If they could survive and reach out, perhaps we can too, united by curiosity and the desire to connect. The signal is a testament to survival and possibility. It is a bridge across the cosmic gulf, a reminder that we are not alone in our struggles or our dreams. It forces us to ask, if they made it, can we? Their endurance inspires us to look inward and consider our own path forward. The universe just became a little less lonely. The discovery echoes through every observatory and every heart, changing our place in the cosmos forever, and a lot more hopeful. The dawn of a new era has begun, filled with wonder, possibility, and the promise of connection. The discovery of alien intelligence is not just scientific, it's societal. A new space race is beginning, not for prestige but for a shared human goal, understanding and responding to the signal. Investment in telescopes, observatories, and propulsion will surge, driving innovation across industries. Governments may form a global consortium, fostering unprecedented international collaboration. Socially, the knowledge that we are not alone will reshape art, philosophy, and education. History is now divided, before contact and after. Politically, unity is the first reaction, but debates over how to respond will intensify. The discovery forces us to confront who speaks for Earth and what we should say. Our collective identity is being rewritten. The signal has sparked a rare moment of global unity, a cosmic campfire for all humanity. The UN is moving to form a global committee to manage our response, but this unity is fragile. Geopolitical competition for knowledge and technology may soon follow. Cultural and ideological divides will shape how the discovery is received, from awe to denial. Conspiracy theories and fear will challenge public understanding. How we handle these divisions will define our future as much as the signal itself. The universe is watching, and so are we. To truly grasp the magnitude of this moment, we turn to those who have devoted their lives to the pursuit of knowledge at the very edge of human understanding. These are the voices that have shaped our journey, guiding us through the unknown, and inspiring us to look beyond our horizons. Dr. Jill Tarter, a pioneering force at SETI, describes this as a vindication of decades of searching and the dawn of a new era. We are finally moving from a monologue to a dialogue, she says, emphasizing that humanity is no longer alone in asking the questions. We may soon be answering them together. Dr. Michio Kaku, renowned physicist and futurist, urges us to proceed with both excitement and caution. We've won the cosmic lottery, but now comes the hard part. We must listen, learn, and be careful, he warns, reminding us that discovery brings both opportunity and responsibility. Astrobiologist Dr. Avi Loeb envisions a new scientific revolution unfolding before our eyes. If one civilization is out there, there are likely others. It's time to become cosmic archaeologists, he says, inviting us to imagine a universe teeming with stories waiting to be uncovered. Historian Yuval Noah Harari reflects on the profound shift in our collective story. For all history, our story was confined to Earth. Now we must redefine what it means to be human in a universe with other minds, he observes, challenging us to expand our sense of identity and purpose. These voices remind us that this discovery is not just about scientists or experts, it's about all of us. It is a moment that belongs to humanity as a whole, inviting every person to wonder, to question, and to dream. It marks a profound identity shift for our species. The responsibility we now carry is immense, as we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our shared existence. We must listen before we speak, tuning in to the cosmos with humility and patience. We must learn before we act, seeking understanding before making decisions that could shape our future for generations. The next steps we take will define our place in the cosmos, setting the course for how we relate to the universe and to each other. The search is no longer just for proof, but for deeper understanding. The dialogue has begun, and the story of humanity is forever changed. We stand on the shore of a vast cosmic ocean, no longer alone. The signal from Kepler 186f is a hand reaching out across space and time, a gesture of connection. This knowledge changes everything, shrinking our conflicts and differences in the light of a shared cosmic inheritance. It calls us to act as a single planetary civilization, welcomed into a larger community. The journey ahead will be long. Decoding the message may take generations. But this is a cause for inspiration, not despair. Humanity now has a unifying project, a cathedral to build together. It gives us reason to invest in science, protect our planet, and educate for the future. Stay curious, look up. The sky is no longer silent. Support the journey of discovery. This is your story, our story. We are the ones who witnessed humanity's first contact with a living cosmos. The adventure is just beginning.